Hi everyone, this is a day in my life whenever I start up my summit. So before, I know it's kind of inconvenient, but I need to run my backend server. That's where the AI is kind of running. And if it's not running well, I mean, the AI won't really work. I'm going to do a sample terms and condition, in fact. Here I got one. It's just really scary of one. Right, full of red flags, actually. But now if I summarize, it will show me an error message instead of actually coding. See, unexpected error. Now that isn't actually an error per se. It is just that the AI system is not up and running. So what I usually do is I open on PowerShell. There's no difference except for like everything has a color. And I'm like CD. I'm just gonna paste the code. In fact, I don't want to really do it. But it basically brings the AI to a server. It brings the AI to my server on my file, and then I try and install my AI key, which is an OpenAI API key. So I also install that. It's gonna install it all. There we go, and then let me just do node server.js, and this kicks up my backend. Now my server is running on this site, and yeah, it's localhost 5000. Now once I do summarize, it will actually give me a nice summary, although it's quite scary. For summary, I bet you've probably all seen that I can export it as a PDF, so I don't need to show you that. Now, after this, let's get rid of this entire thing. I just want to show you the best part of it all. Get rid of this. But I have an extension, SumIt AI's extension, and I think I'm pretty happy with it. Right over here, it's basically the same thing, but it scans all of your pages and it tries to detect when there are terms and conditions. So I'm just gonna go to a couple things, termsfeed.com, where it shows a button, and the same thing on Instagram's terms and conditions, where it should also pop up. Oops, sorry, that's on the privacy policy. This is, I actually configured it not to detect it, but on the privacy policy, the summarize button opens up. You wait for a couple of seconds until it opens the summary in a sidebar. Same thing with my termsfeed.com, which is basically just something I made for myself, right over here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I've developed an extension by enabling Chrome extensions, and well, you can see it. Yeah, I have a couple of extensions, but yeah, that's one of them. And this will be coming on the web soon. I'm really happy. I'm really proud of it. It just needs a couple of things that I need to tweak, but apart from that, I'm definitely gonna do it. So yeah, this is SumIt so far, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I've done this. You might as well just expect me doing it, since I have a couple of things in my file folder, right? If I go to my files, I have, I'm just gonna open it the long way. This is the long way to access it, since I use front end and extension things so much. It's right over here, but now I'm going to go to the exact file folder. Where it is, and here it is. There's a backend filled with JSON files and JavaScript files. If you go to .env, you can see an OpenAI key that I've used over there, right? And you then go to server.js. I like it with Notepad. Everyone criticizes me for that, but I like using Notepad. But yeah, my JavaScript. It's kind of the same thing with the front end, except for my front end. My front end is from my website, actually. let's use extension slash front end now. It's just kind of the same thing. It's index.html. If I click that, it will, I'll just open in Google Chrome. That just leads me to my website. But there is also a code, without a doubt. There is a code in index.html, which is just this entire thing. Style.css, also same thing. Script.js, also kind of the same thing. And now going on to my SumIt extension. I have quite a few things over there, not gonna lie. But yeah, what do you call it? The content.js, I really use that a lot. That's basically what dictates how my summary button is gonna happen and how it's gonna turn into an extension. So using that, I animated this to have a nice orange streak floating over it. But yeah, I think I'm pretty proud about what I've done so far with SumIt AI. And yeah, that's SumIt so far.